So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting.
Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Sarah and today we are doing a whole house cleaning video. The house has gotten a little messy. We are tackling all the main rooms. I'm so excited to share that this video is also a collab with my awesome friend here on YouTube. Her name is Laura. I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself before we get started.
Hey guys, my name is Laura. I am a mom to a 3-year-old little girl. We are based in Texas, and on my channel, not only will you find extreme cleaning motivation, but you will also find a friend that you can relate to when it comes to mommy lifestyle and routines. I would love it if you join my YouTube family and come say hi after watching this video. See you soon.
Alright you guys, so the first room in the house that we are tackling today is this messy kitchen with all the mounds of dishes that we have to do. So let's go ahead and get started, and y'all let me know in the comments, are you cleaning along with me today or are you just relaxing? So we use our cast iron skillets daily, and I just wanted to share, I mean, most of you are probably already aware, but with cast iron skillets, you actually cannot wash them with soap. You actually just scrub them with warm water, and then after you're done, you just put a little bit of oil and you just rub it in, and that keeps them from drying out and rusting. I don't know what it is, but there is just something about a nice, fresh, clean sink. So after all of that, cleaning the kitchen, I turned around just to realize I had left a bunch of dishes on the dining room table. So I just had to throw those in the dishwasher real quick and just wipe the table down and put our tablecloth back on. So now I am sorting out the numerous loads of laundry that I have to do today, and I am separating the lights from the dark, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a load in so that way it can be washing while we do other things. You can watch me glow. Now we're on to the messy living room, and as you can see, this is Reese's like play area, and we have like a barricade in front of the fireplace, and for the most part she really does pretty good about not really messing with the fireplace. We just keep most of her toys in this little basket over here, and then we usually have everything else just kind of blocking it. And it seems to work pretty good. You're all that I could see. You're all that I could see when I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me grow. You can watch me grow. You can watch me grow. So now we are picking up and cleaning the bathroom. I pretty much have to put all my makeup and hair stuff away, and I definitely need to wipe everything down. And there's a shelf here back behind me that really needs a good dusting, so I'm literally just going to pull everything off of it and just wipe it down really good. And I can't put everything else back on the shelf dusty, so I have to wipe everything off and dust it really good before putting it back on the shelf.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you.
So now I am finally on to straightening up our room and making our bed. I know this is typically one of the first things I would like to do, but I just was at the point where I could not stay in the kitchen anymore and had to get all those dishes cleaned. And with our bedroom being in the back of the house, it just ended up being one of my last priorities for this day.
Come back around, the future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I want to recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out the fire you stole.
So now I'm finishing up some more laundry, getting this stuff folded, and I'm folding it back here on our bed. Today, I typically like to fold it in the living room or back here in the bedroom. Where do y'all like to fold your laundry?
I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment and say hello. And definitely do not forget to check out Laura's channel. She is absolutely amazing. Y'all will absolutely love her. I will have the link to her video and her channel in the description box below. And until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye!